So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to transfer files from OneDrive to another OneDrive. So first, you need to select a file or a specific file or even a folder that you wanted to transfer on another OneDrive. So first, you just have to click on the drive, which is the three dots right here, or just simply use your mouse. Just right click on that and you will see a bunch of options from the drop down menu. You just have to click on the share button. Once you click on that, you will automatically add a name or even a group or just a specific email that you wanted to transfer your file from this drive or this OneDrive to another OneDrive. And after you send or transfer or even share your file, you just have to click on that file from another OneDrive and make sure to make a copy of that file. And that's how you transfer from OneDrive to another OneDrive.